with Tekelec's policy, what we currently have put together is a pretty strong solution set that covers all the different network markets, LTE to cable to fixed line, CDMA, and there are a lot of reasons why somebody should buy our product, and those, one of the reasons, of course, is that what you want with any policy system is to have it to be able to adapt and address any use case that's going on. So you want to be able to make sure that the product itself is easy to use and can meet your needs for adapting to policy or to different use cases. The reason you want that is because the growth from early years of 2000 to today has shifted from the voice and SMS sort of scenario and world to a data world, and so now we're at a point where today where we're really trying to customers are trying to optimize their networks for the data world, and they're addressing the services, and what we'll probably see even more and more going ahead is the nature of people with multiple devices and multiple services all being wanted to be managed from one single point. And so the nice thing about having a policy system is with flexibility can manage all those capabilities. With our solution, we also have the capabilities to address extensive IoT partners, and we've done that successfully through well over 30 different partners, working with multiple interfaces to deal with all that. One of the things that is really required as well is having the product to be able to support all the traffic and the TPS going on in a compact system. And with Tekelec, we have spent the time to improve on the performance, take advantage of all the years of Tekelec's ability to be that is addressed in the core network, and instill the quality that we want out of the product to support them, because we know how important it is for the operators to support the customers with these services. One other aspect that is starting to become as well a very big player or market is in the Wi-Fi offload area. The reason Wi-Fi has been around for a while, but now we're getting into the point where you're seeing the cable markets and the fixed line markets all want to take part in expanding their revenue base, and one way to do that, of course, is to provide a Wi-Fi offload capability. And in some cases, they're an MVNO piggybacking off using some carrier for their service, but then they immediately want to shift that capability or that traffic off to a WiMAX network or to a Wi-Fi network. So that way they can increase their revenues as well and their capabilities with the customer. And they can offer as well a broad portfolio of services. With our policy system, we also have policy analytics, and what its value proposition and what it brings to the customer is a visual way of seeing all the traffic and the data that's being serviced and managed across their network. Other competitors don't have this currently, and this gives us an edge and also gives the customer a insight in a much more graphical sense, a much more visual sense, and a much more interactive sense to manage the performance side of the traffic, to manage the revenue side of their services, and to manage the network optimization for their network.